What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chill. Today we have a different angle. We have an angle with a beautiful purple ugly light behind us. Better lighting behind us there. The room's a little darker. Better setting. I like it a lot more. Today we're going to be taking a look at Corona. No, I'm not. I'm just kidding. Today we're going to be taking a look at a lavalier microphone, which is a microphone that you can use on your phone, on a DSLR camera, or any camera setup that you want. You can use it on your computer too. It's a 3.5 jack that you can use on any device that accepts that. It's a really tiny microphone that sticks into your shirt. This exact model is from Maono. Maono sent us this. This is the AU-100 Lavalier. This is the Maono AU-100 Lavalier Lapel microphone. I'm really excited to open this. I've never tried any of these, so reviewing this microphone will be interesting. We're gonna do a few tests on this. We're gonna test this on my phone. We're gonna test this on my DSLR camera, and we're gonna test this also on the computer. We're gonna try it in multiple ways and see what we like. This exact model sells for $29, and it comes with a tripod, which is really awesome. I'm really happy that they sent a tripod, because most of these things just sell by themselves for $20, and this is $29. Which is a great deal. All the links will be down below in the description. If you purchase using that link, it will help the channel and support us via the Amazon affiliate links. Without further ado, let's open up this box. Let's set up the Maono AU-100 Lavalier mic. We'll test it out and let's roll. What is up, guys? How's it going? This is the microphone plugged into my shirt, into the phone. I mean, this is plugged into an iPhone 10 via the extension, the adapter from mini jack 3.0 auxiliary cable to my iPhone for 8-pin connection. That comes with your iPhone. It works out of the box directly. The one thing you gotta keep in mind is you want to turn off the passive mode over here. The passive mode is only made to be for DSLRs and other devices. It needs to be off when you're using your iPhone or your smart device. But as you can hear, it sounds really good. It's a great investment if you're trying to get a microphone that basically, like if you want to create better TikToks, if you want to create better content, it's really good, guys. So don't worry about anything. It's all good, boys. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. All right, quick test. Beer crunchies. I think it's really good for ASMR. So now it should be much better. I think it is recording. We will test it in a second. But yeah, this is how the microphone sounds. I'm using it currently on a 700D DSLR. I think it sounds good. I'm not sure. I'm gonna test it real second, listen to it, and I'll let you know how I think it sounds. But yeah, overall, I think it's pretty nice looking. The cable is like 12 feet long. It's a very long cable, so you will not be disappointed with that. You can see I have a ton in the middle right here. This is all extra, and the camera is 7 feet away from me. So, all right, guys, now that we know it sounds good, I tested it. We're gonna give you a quick, Corona time.
Does it sound good? All right, guys, so we just plugged in the lapel microphone into the PC through just, obviously you can see the cable beautifully hanging over here, but it's a very long cable, so you don't have to worry about it. I do have a couple filters right now on. I have compressor and I have noise suppression and a noise gate on. I'm gonna go turn those off. I'm gonna let you listen to the raw audio coming from this microphone in 1, 2, 3, and... All right. So this is how the audio sounds raw coming from the microphone. No compressors on, no noise gate, no suppression at all. So you're hearing raw content coming through. All right, guys, now that I have all the files on the PC, I'm going to be reviewing them, taking a look at the ones that I filmed on my phone, taking the ones I filmed through OBS, and taking a look at the ones that I filmed through the camera directly. I'll let you know in 5 minutes. Let's do this real quick.
One eternity later.
All right, guys, I just finished listening to the audio. Here's what I think. This microphone is good, is usable for sure. I think it's a good product if you're looking for a microphone that's cheap, $29. It's a great microphone. Also, if you're looking for something to plug into your DSLR when you create your content, so I would totally recommend that. On my phone, I did like the audio and liked how it sounded. On the DSLR, I liked it as well. When I plugged into the PC, I did not like it as much. It was a little noisy, it had a little distorted background noise going on into there. When you're talking, it comes in, back and out randomly. So that was the only thing that was a little iffy, but everything else was really good. I totally recommend this microphone if you're looking for something basically to plug on your shirt while you're recording videos or making TikToks or trying to put some voiceover audio over some kind of content. 100% recommended. $29. I mean, great price overall, especially since it comes with a tripod again.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed the video, all the links will be down in the description. Also, come hang out with me on twitch.com/giveandchills. I'll see you there, and thank you for watching. Bye.